welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be playing the Gorilla Tag fan game, Bird Runners. Wait, they got a basketball? If I dunk this and make it, I will reach 5K one day. Please don't tell me. What the fuck? I got 2 more tries. Never mind, I dunked it. Alright. Hey guys, Bird Runners is currently being remade. That is why our servers are down.
But I want it now!
Reach your hand behind your back to open the menu. Wait, what the heck? Tutorial.
Hello, and welcome to Bird Runners. This short tutorial will go through the basics of the game.
Okay, cool.
This game has flap mechanics.
Ooh!
You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
Come back to you. Sing me back, sing for me, yeah.
Oh, then I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
This game has flap mechanics.
I already
You can
know
hold down
that.
the A button to flap your hands.
My question is, why do I
concludes
have
the
like a
tutorial.
claw down here?
If you'd like to hop into the main game, please press the button on the
I don't
table
think you
over
have
there.
claws below your hand.
You hit her. I know what she broke. So hit me, let's go. I'm about
Alright, let's go join.
I couldn't see my hands, lol.
Alright, the servers are down because it's being remade like a stupid game. I bet that new game is gonna be really bad. No offense to if any of the creators of Bird Runners are watching this. And yes, the game is called Bird Runners. Cosmetics! Wait. Collab cosmetics. They all just look the same, like what? You can't even click them! Oh, come on! You can't even buy any cosmetics. Wait, pride pins, show off your pride. You can't even click any of them, like what? This game right now is kind of like buggy. First of all, I can't see my hands, which isn't that much of a big deal. But to new players, like, to be honest, how are you even supposed to move if you're a new player? You don't even know where your hands are. Yeah, but I'm experienced with Gorilla Tag, so. Oh, they got floors lava. I'm gonna be so bad at this. Yeah, I already told you. Dude, this headset keeps falling on me. No, no, no. If I fail this, I am going to summon all 7 Dragon Balls, all 7 Chaos Emeralds, and every single Infinity Stone so I can supercharge my organs. Okay, is there any better modes? Like, Floor's lava is weird. Like, why is this so buggy? Like, there's not even lava. Like, what? What else do they got in this game? I swear I saw like a beach sign. Bro, it's winter where I am. Like, last night it was negative 13 degrees outside. I saw like cars outside, and no, I was laying in my bed, questioning my existence, as usual. And I kind of just... I didn't even recognize the sign! It's the old and popular game Flappy Bird. actually get 2 though. I think there's one more mode, right? It's probably down here. Yeah, it's beach. Bird. Alright. We are in the beach map. Ooh, they actually got moving ball? Is it moving? It's moving. Can I move it any further? No, I can't. Can you swim though? That's what I want to know. Can you swim?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
No, you can't. Unless you count flying in water as swimming, then wait, a slide. Whee! Oh god. Yeah. What is that? Whatever, I'm gonna go up here. It's the last thing I do before I end this off. We're gonna go down a big red slide. Whee! Oh god. Where am I going? I swear. Where am I going? Alright. I think it's about time we head out. Let's head back to where I was originally at. Dude, this music is gonna make me go crazy. Oh, fly, 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 fly. Wait, what the? What the? Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want me to check out other Gorilla Tag fan games, then comment down below which one you want me to try on the Meta Quest 2 store. And if I dunk this, you will all have to subscribe. You guys have to subscribe.